Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can react on a message on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, find the chat on which you want to react. Next, tap on it. After that, find the message on which you want to react. Then long press on it by tapping on it. After that, select reaction of your choice. So, this is how you can react on a message on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.